Hello friends, today we will learn 20 lines on my mother. So let's start. My mother's name is Fatima and she is a housewife. She is the most special person in my life. She is always there for me no matter what. Her loving smile brightens up my day. She helps me with my homework and studies. My mother cooks delicious meals for our family. She takes care of our home and keeps it clean. My mother teaches me good values and manners. She encourages me to pursue my dreams. Her kindness and patience inspire me. My mother is my role model and hero. She works hard to provide for our family. I admire her strength and determination. My mother's hugs makes me feel safe. She listens to me when I need someone to talk to. My mother's love is unconditional and pure. I'm grateful for her presence in my life. My mother's guidance helps me make good choices. She helps me develop my interests and talents. I love my mother more than words can express. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos.